I'm thrilled with what we have and the speed and accuracy we can deliver to our customers, but I wonder what's next.
I think Carbon's been a great partner, and what it allows us to do for our customers, get them samples or prototypes quickly, like in days. We also allow them to build things they literally can't build in any other way.
We make parts that other people think are impossible to make.
You cannot injection mold, you cannot machine it, and you can't build it on other 3D printing platforms. Really unique shapes and geometries, a lot of lattice work, think foam replacements.
The lattices are breathable, so they won't sweat in those areas, and it'll improve the quality of life. Without Carbon, I don't think we could advance as far as we've advanced. Our relationship with Carbon is a two-way street, and so this collaboration between the two companies is awesome.